Very nice, very nice. Do you know that they don't have a marketing department in Oatly?
They don't?
They don't. Do you know that they were existing for 20 years and just recently they came back differently? They actually have a creative director. Words are important, apparently.
Creative director.
Exactly.
They have this saying in the back of their
Exactly.
graphics, yeah?
Exactly. This is what makes it tastier.
Yeah.
It was a very, like, it was a long company. Like, it's like 20 years. It's a Swedish company, not doing good sales. And then the son of the owner becomes CEO, and he talks to his friend in the creative industry and is like, what do we do about this? We're failing miserably. We're just like any other oat drink. And he said, A, fire the marketing department. B, get me as a creative director. Exactly, me. And me and my creative team will be on every meeting. And all they did was like, hey. And they created stories out of it. Just stories. It's milk. I like how you use it, like it's milk. And they talk about this as like, it's not like cow milk, it's even better, blah, 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 blah. Milk, cow milk is for babies. Is for baby cows, right? Not for human baby. And so they have this very strong rhetoric, whether you like it or not, whether you agree with it or not. But they talked about a value, not a product description. We have 20 grams of fat and 5 grams of protein. So that's the hardest thing to do in any pitch. When you talk about your actual facts and figures and numbers, yes?